How to get Uber Eats promo code. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Uber Eats free promo codes. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web browser. And at the top search bar, simply type in Uber Eats promo code 2024. Once done, you will see various websites offering Uber Eats promo code. Tap on any one that you would like. And here you will see a list of all the exclusive coupon codes. Tap on View Coupon to view it. And now tap on Copy and copy the code. In case you would like to use this coupon code right away, just tap on Visit Uber Eats at the bottom. At this page, tap on Continue to App. If you don't have Uber Eats app, you can tap on Continue to Website. And now, in order to use the coupon code, you have to get logged into your account. Enter your username and your password, and once you are logged into your Uber Eats account, place an order and you will be able to redeem the promo codes. And this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.